Critical appreciation of Dalit literature related to the novel The Untouchable by Mulkraj Anand. The term Dalit literally means oppressed and is used to refer to the untouchable, casteless section of India. The word Dalit comes from the Sanskrit and it means downtrodden and suppressed. It was first used by Jyotirao Phule in the 19th century. Mahatma Gandhi used the word Harijan as children of God to identify the former untouchables. For Edmund Burke, the idea of caste is synonymous with the idea of India. India is considered the most divided of all known society in human history. Due to caste system, the more than 250 million Dalits are being constantly humiliated and ostracized for centuries. Historically, the caste system began when the Aryans came to India around 1500 BC from southern Europe and northern Asia. During Pushpamitra Shunga's rules, the practice of untouchability began. The upper caste propagated Varna Ashram Dharma through Hindu Dharma Shastra. Dalit literature is a voice of resistance against the marginalization, oppression, and discrimination faced by a major section of the society on a daily basis life. In modern times, because of the legacy of Jyotirao Phule and Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dalit literature gained thrust in Maharashtra. Indian writing in English has remained complicated as far as production of Dalit literature, Dalit life is concerned. There are very few Dalit authors who wrote in English for their own people. Dalit readership for English literary works also is very low. Most of Dalit characters in Indian English literature are portrayed by upper caste Hindu authors. Such portrayals based on mere observation in authentic and just stereotypes. The prominent writers who portrayed the life of Dalit in literature are Mulk Raj Anand, Rajarao, Premchand, etc. Thus, we can say that Indian writing in English has remained complicated as far as projection of Dalit life is concerned. Thank you. For more video on English literature, subscribe my channel. English literature 360 degree.